strong competitor to other retailers, Walmart offers a large selection of items that you can purchase for any occasion. But what happens when you've walked away with an item that you need to return? Let's go ahead and break down Walmart's return policy to get a better understanding of how to do just that. Walmart's return policy varies by department. Although the majority of products have a generous 90-day return window, Walmart only allows a 15-day return policy for many electronics such as computers, tablets, prepaid cell phones, and drones. Walmart has an extended return policy for items purchased between October 28th and December 25th. For example, if an item has a 15-day return window, that countdown doesn't begin until December 26th. You can return your item in store by going to the customer service desk. Bring the original packing materials as well as the receipt if available. You can also return items purchased online either in store or by mail. Access your online Walmart account for instructions.